Hi, my name is Garrett. I'm part of the Word First Bible Publishing Ministry. Behind me, we've already started, and I'm going to take you for a tour as what we do. As you can see here, they're putting the Bible together. It comes in signature formats, which is the individual pages. So in here, we're doing what's called rolling. We take the pages, and on the spine side, we roll the air out so we'll get a better bind and a better cover on there. And this part of the process is called checking. This is where we check to make sure the Bible is still in the right order before it goes off to the binder. I'm standing outside the binder room right now because it's very loud in there. But what the binder does is it takes the Bible, runs it across the saw, then the hot glue pot, then it puts the cover on and puts it out and to go to the cutter. So let's go in and take a look at it. As you can see, it's pretty loud in here. This is the binder room. This is where we take the book and then the Bible goes across the saw, across the hot glue, and it gets the cover put on, and then it's dropped out right there. We're now in the cutter room. It's pretty loud in here as well. This machine cuts all three sides at once when it comes down, and after the Bible comes out, it's ready to go in the box to be shipped out.